In this video, I'll show you how to lock down your WhatsApp privacy settings on your iPhone. From disappearing messages to hiding your profile and controlling group invites, you'll learn all this in a few minutes. Let's get into it. First up is default message timer. This automatically deletes messages in new chats after a set time. On your iPhone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Privacy, Default Message Timer, and select either 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. This is great for keeping chats clutter-free and private. Next, read receipts. If you don't want others to see when you've read their messages, turn this off. In Settings, go to Privacy, then toggle Read Receipt off. This does not affect messages in group chats or voice notes. They will still show as read. Now, let's hide your last seen and online status. In Privacy, tap Last Seen and Online. Select either Nobody, My Contacts, or My Contact Except. My Contact Except allows you block certain people. You can also hide your online status separately or make it the same as your last seen settings. To keep your profile photo private, tap Privacy, Profile Photo, and limit it to either My Contacts, My Contact Except, or Nobody. This is a simple way to protect your identity. About is usually the status line under your name, like busy or available. To limit who can see this, go to Privacy, select About, and choose who gets to see it. Either My Contacts, My Contact Except, or Nobody. To limit those who can see the links you've added to your profile, go to Privacy, tap Links, and choose who gets to see it. Preferably My Contacts, My Contact Except, or Nobody. If you're tired of being randomly added to groups, go to Privacy, tap Groups, select either Everyone, which allows anyone, even people you do not know, add you to groups. This setting is not recommended. My Contacts is a better option, and this allows only contacts you've saved add you to groups. My Contact Except is the best option. With this, you can block certain people from adding you to groups. Super useful for avoiding spam. Finally, control who sees your WhatsApp status. Go to Privacy, tap Status, and choose who can view your updates. You can share with all your contacts, you can hide them from certain people, or you can only share with a select few. And that's it. Just a few taps to make your WhatsApp more private on your iPhone. Like this video, share it with friends or family, and subscribe for more online safety tips.